Hey guys, Aaron here. You guys seem to like my video about testing out this camera, or at least that's the video the algorithm picked up to get over 1,000 views. But either way, I want to shoot more with this camera. And now I have color 120 film. This is Portra 400. Since this is postcard format 122 film, I luckily found these 3D printed enlargers so I can put 120 film through this. Should be long enough to not expose light here, but let me just... So once the arrow is here, I counted that it's 8 full turns to get the first image right here. So let's close it up. I'll just put tape on here and elastic it like before, and then it should be good.
Yeah, there was a bit of light leaks. And this double exposure, I don't know who the fuck did that. And there's a lot of overlap in all the images. I didn't roll it enough. At least the lens is still in focus. You know what? This camera's looking so dirty and the leather's just falling apart. So I think it's time for a makeover. And here we have the new and improved Hawkeye box camera. And I made this hole so I could stop the roll when it gets to these numbers. 1, then 4, 7, 10, and 13. So let's take some photos.
Like being an adult.